Hi everyone, welcome to ABCD of Drawing. In this series, I teach you how to draw flowers in simple step-by-step method. There are so many kinds of jasmine. Since I'm building this series for the beginners level artist, I choose the easiest kind. If you want me to teach you how to draw some other kind of jasmine, just tell me in the comments and I'll try to make a video on that also. Let's begin.
The type of jasmine that we are going to draw has 4 petals. So first we are going to take our pencil and draw a circle. Then we are going to draw a smaller circle inside of it. Now we will fill the smaller circle with tiny circles and then connect it to the center with thin lines. Now we are going to draw a plus sign or X sign because we have to draw 4 petals. Now we will draw the 4 petals and fill them with tiny irregular lines. Our flower is complete. Let's draw this one more time. This time we added some folds at the corner to give it a more natural look. Now let's draw the side view of this flower. For the side view, instead of circle, we are going to draw an oval shape and then fill it with 4 petals. That's it guys, we just learned how to draw a jasmine and let's incorporate what we have just learned into an illustration.